Welcome to our ICHRA product demo. We're glad you're here, and we're excited to show you how our software helps employers like you offer hassle-free health benefits. In this video, we'll cover what an ICHRA is and how it works, the account setup and plan design process, what the employer and employee dashboards look like and how to use them, the employee experience, including shopping for insurance and submitting reimbursements, the reimbursement process for employers, adding and removing employees from the benefit, and finally, how to get help with your account. Let's get started. An individual coverage HRA, or ICHRA, is an employer-funded health benefit. With it, employees make qualified purchases on things like individual health insurance, medication, prescription glasses, and more, depending on how the plan is designed. After the employee incurs the expense, they submit the receipt through the PeopleKeep software to be verified. Then the employer takes the total amounts verified and reimburses employees up to their monthly allowance amount. When you first set up your account, you'll enter information such as your organization's legal name, employer identification number, and allowance amounts you want to offer to employees. With an ICHRA, once your allowances are set, they cannot be changed for the benefit year. Unlike a ICHRA, ICHRA plans do not have annual allowance caps, which provides you the ability to offer any dollar amount that matches your organization's budget. In addition, an ICHRA allows you to offer different amounts to employee classes, such as full-time, part-time, salaried, non-salaried, seasonal, out-of-state, and any combination of the above listed items. If you offer an ICHRA alongside a group health insurance plan, you can only offer the ICHRA to employees in a class you don't offer group health insurance to. There are also minimum class size requirements. We use the information you enter in the setup process to instantly create your legal documents, which are part of what makes your ICHRA plan compliant with all applicable federal regulations. If there are regulatory changes that impact your ICHRA, PeopleKeep has you covered with automatic legal document updates. PeopleKeep software empowers employers like you to control your own benefit, giving you two coverage options, the Premiums Only and the Premiums Plus. Let's move on to the dashboard. After you finish designing your benefit, the software takes you to the PeopleKeep admin dashboard. Here you'll find all the most important information in one place, such as how many people are currently enrolled in the benefit, as well as a summary of any reimbursements that may be due. Your employees will have their own dashboard on their personal accounts, but it will look a little different. The employee dashboard shows their accumulated allowance, their year-to-date reimbursement total, and their remaining accrued balance. Administrators who participate in the benefit will find two tabs below the main menu, where they can switch between administering the benefit and viewing their own information as an employee. Eligible employees may keep their own individual insurance if they already have something they're satisfied with, or shop for their own individual insurance plan. PeopleKeep also provides an integrated health insurance concierge service employees can use if they'd like help shopping for an eligible plan. After clicking on the Shop for a Policy button, they'll have the option to connect with our health insurance concierge or shop for a policy through a self-guided online experience. Employees also have the option to use your organization's preferred health insurance broker. Next, let's take a look at how the reimbursement process works in the PeopleKeep software. Employees can submit reimbursements by clicking on the Get Reimbursed button, found below the benefit summary on your personal dashboard. From there, you'll arrive at the Eligible Expenses page, where you'll find a comprehensive list of every eligible expense, from insurance premiums to doctor visits and more. On the right side of the screen, you'll find an eligibility guide. These icons indicate whether an expense is eligible, requires a doctor's note or prescription, or is ineligible for reimbursement. Depending on the type of ICHRA plan that is in place, different labels appear next to the items according to their eligibility for reimbursement. Premiums Only users, for example, will only have health insurance premiums marked with a green reimbursable checkmark. You can also use the search bar to quickly find specific expenses or click on a category to see all related expenses. After an employee has submitted an expense for reimbursement, the PeopleKeep documentation review team will evaluate the submitted documents within 2 business days to ensure employees have provided the necessary information. If additional information is required, the employee will receive a notification detailing exactly what is needed before the expense is eligible for reimbursement. If all the necessary information is there, the administrator will see an updated amount in the reimbursements due summary box. The employee's account dashboard will also update to reflect the new available balance for reimbursement. In the reimbursement summary section, you'll be able to see a full list of any reimbursements that are due, the history of completed reimbursements, and remaining balances for each employee. We also send weekly summary emails of all the reimbursements that are due. When it comes to reimbursing employees, most employers choose to add a non-taxable line item on the employee's next paycheck, while others prefer to cut a separate check. In the Reimbursements Due section, you'll be able to export the full list of approved reimbursements to deliver to the person responsible for payroll. Regardless of the method you choose, all eligible expenses are exempt from taxes. Now let's take a look at adding and removing employees from the benefit. When you first set up your account, you'll follow prompts to enter your employees' information and invite them to participate in the benefit. But you'll need to add new employees as they're hired. In your admin dashboard, you'll find a button labeled Add People. There, you'll enter in your employees' personal identification information. This information is necessary to keep proper employee records, in addition to making the reimbursements legitimate. Before you can invite an employee to participate in an ICHRA, they must be on a qualified individual insurance plan. After you've finished entering their information, you'll click the button that says Add Employee. This will send them an email notifying them they have been officially invited to participate in the benefit. In the email, they'll click to get their own account finalized and ready to go. Employees must choose to opt in or out of the benefit. Otherwise, they will be automatically enrolled and could become disqualified from receiving premium tax credits. In the Company Directory section of the software, you'll find a full list of employees who are currently enrolled in the benefit. Here you can remove the employee from the benefit by clicking on their name, editing their profile information, and entering in a termination status and effective date. Expenses incurred after this date can no longer be reimbursed by the employee. However, they still have 90 days after the end of the year to submit any reimbursements incurred before their termination date. The final feature we'll cover in this video is the Help Center. As you go through and use your account, you'll likely have questions about the software and how it works. PeopleKeep has an online help center full of articles and information to help you succeed. In addition, we have an award-winning customer support team that is available to help you resolve any issues. Simply click on the support button at the bottom right of the screen, and you'll be able to chat with a real support representative at PeopleKeep. We'd like to wish you good luck on your health benefits journey with PeopleKeep. Now you can rest assured knowing you're taking care of your employees with a compliant health benefit they'll love.